Alright, let's get real. Every single year, someone claims they've built the Windows killer. We've seen bold promises, flashy interfaces, and plenty of hype, but most alternatives just don't stick for everyday users. But today, I'm diving into Zorin OS 18, and yeah, I want to know, does this really have what it takes to finally knock Microsoft off the desktop throne, or is it just another contender that'll fade away? First off, Zorin OS 18 is slick. I fired it up on my main rig, and honestly, if you've ever felt trapped in Windows ecosystem, Zorin feels like fresh air. It's like stepping into a familiar room, but with the windows thrown open and a breeze coming in. The interface is clean, modern, and get this. You can make it look and feel almost exactly like Windows 11 macOS or even classic Windows. Customization is front and center, so you're not forced into a single look or workflow. No learning curve, just click and go. Even if you're not a techie, you'll feel right at home within minutes. App compatibility? That's the big one, right? It's the deal breaker for a lot of people thinking about switching. Zorin OS 18 ships with built-in tools for running Windows apps. Think wine and bottles, all prepped and ready. You don't have to hunt down complicated workarounds or spend hours on forums. I downloaded a few of my daily Windows apps and, to my surprise, most ran smoothly. Even some heavier programs worked better than I expected. Not perfect, but way less pain than I expected. There were a couple of hiccups, but nothing show-stopping for my workflow. Performance-wise, this thing is fast. Boot times are quick, and it doesn't bog down even with lots of tabs or apps open. We're talking snappy boots, smooth multitasking, and way less bloatware. It's refreshing to have a system that just works, without all the clutter. Plus, it's Linux. So, security and privacy are on another level compared to stock Windows. You get peace of mind, and your data stays yours. But, there's always a but. Gaming is still a mixed bag. If you're a hardcore gamer, you'll notice some gaps. Proton and Steam Play are making huge strides, but you'll want to check your favorite titles before making the jump. Some games run flawlessly, others not so much. So, is Zorin OS 18 the Windows killer? Well, it's closer than anything I've tried before. For the first time, I could actually see myself recommending it to friends and family. For most people who just want a fast, secure, familiar desktop without the baggage, Zorin OS 18 is super tempting. It's a real alternative, not just a side project. But if you're deep into gaming, or need that one obscure Windows app, it's the safest way to get the best of both worlds. Let me know. Would you switch? Or is Windows still your ride or die? I'm genuinely curious where you stand. Drop your thoughts below, and don't forget to hit that like button if you want more deep dives like this. Your feedback helps shape what I cover next.